Okay, so in today's video about JasmyCoin, I want to check out the recent move on the downside that we got in the last 72 hours and see what is going on in here. And the spoiler alert, I think we may see in this area a bearish sign, and I am also going to answer a very important comment that you guys posted in the previous video. So with that said, hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are having a great time with your family and loved ones, and let's start by answering a comment. You said JasmyCoin is down 88% in the 1 month and now you are seeing a bearish signal. What a joke you are. Get a life, bro. You are causing maximum losses for your viewers, and the phrase "I am not a financial planner" or "this is not financial advice" does not cut it when the populace turns on you and they will. Well, I believe that I should answer your comment because you didn't really say anything disrespectful in here, so you definitely deserve an answer. And here's the thing. Go back and watch every single one of my previous videos. You are going to see that at the beginning of each video, I give my audience a quick summary of what I told them in the previous video. And I say, okay, this play out, or maybe this didn't happen. In other words, I am not here to tell you I am right 100% of the time. When did I ever say that? I just do not understand. And even if you thought that I'm saying I am right 100%, okay, here we go. I am not right 100% of the time. In this market, I am trying to only and only get it right 6 out of 10 times. And even if I get it right 4 out of 10 times, meaning 6 times I'm gonna be wrong, because of my risk to reward ratio in my trading plan, I am actually in the positive overall and I'm going to end up making money. So I am definitely going to get it wrong sometime. And maybe in JasmyCoin, I am actually wrong. I'm not here to tell you you should absolutely listen to me because you are going to make a lot of money. I'm not really trying to form a cult here, okay? If you think that I am wrong and my videos are absolutely worthless, okay, fair enough. Feel free to just not watch my video and maybe go watch someone else, or even you can do your own research and come up with your own conclusion. And I said this so many times. I think every single viewer should at first do their own due diligence, come up with their own conclusion about a project, and then if they want to have more information, they can go to YouTube and watch anyone's content that they want. So I hope you understood where I come from, and I'm not here to sell you any false hope. Trust me, I have been in this market for more than 10-12 years and I had so many mistakes, and I have been humbled more times that you can count. Now, about this part of your comment, you said JasmyCoin is down 88% and now I am seeing a bearish signal. Okay, here's the thing. I want to be very clear. I didn't say that so far in here we were like 1000% bullish, and if we get a break of this level, we are going to be now 100% bearish and we're going to go down to 0. No, I'm trying to argue in JasmyCoin, in case that we get a break of this important level, which is from weekly and daily time frame at the same time, the recovery phase is going to take some time. Why is that? Because let's say, okay, we are going to do something like this and then we are going to have an impulsive structure on the upside. I guarantee it. Right in here, reclaiming this level is going to take quite some time. And for example, if we were supposed to get our bounce back off of this important level, this actually would have been a much easier move, and you could have seen JasmyCoin going up at quite a bit of a rapid pace. But since we are under it and it seems like that we want to get a break of this level, I'm just going to say in Jasmy, we shouldn't really expect a big move up to happen in the short term, and just we need to wait this one out. I hope I explained that well and you understood my point of view about this unbelievably important support area. Let's go on 30-minute time frame and see what is happening. Here's the thing. If you want to be bullish in JasmyCoin and you want to say the bottom is in right in here, okay, you need to be able to find a 5-wave impulsive structure on the upside off of the lowest low. And I think our best shot at finding an impulse is if we say this is a wave 1, correction for 2, another move up into wave 3, correction for 4, another move on the upside into wave 5 to about here. Now, here's a very important point. In any kind of impulsive structure, wave 3 should not be the smallest wave. This is a big no-no in Elliot waves. Now let's measure the length of our supposedly wave 3 and compare it to the other waves. Is it smaller than our wave 1? The answer, as you can see, let's just do this, okay, by a decent margin, yes. Is it also smaller than wave 5? Also, the answer, as you can see in here, is yes. So this structure, which is, I would say, pretty much our best shot at finding an impulse, is not allowed. And okay, I guess if you really insist on finding a bullish possibility, you might be able to argue this is 1, this is 2, and then wave 3 and 4 and 5, which is going to be on a higher degree into a larger degree, wave 3, correction for 4, another move on the upside into wave 5. But personally, I really do not like this scenario, and this is actually going to get invalidated if we get one more small move down in JASMY, and in that move we take this low down here about 1.25 cents. So for now, I'm trying to tell you, in JASMY it seems like that this move on the upside is actually a correction and not an impulse, and we may see soon some more moves on the downside in order to take the lowest low down here about 1.1 cents. And then after it, I cannot really give you a clear picture of what is going to be next, but I'm gonna say this. In terms of classic TA, meaning support and resistances, there is actually a support area in this region in JASMY from way back down here. There we go. And this might actually be our last chance in JasmyCoin. If we also get a break of this thing in daily time frame, that is really not going to be a good sign, and our move down may accelerate a bit more after breaking this level. So for now, all eyes should be on this important support area and see what is going to happen to it. And in the short term, I am telling you right now, we may very well see another move on the downside. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in JASMY's chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next video, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.